Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Mo from 3M Studios. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this flowery effect in Photoshop in no time. So let's dive in. Okay, I have Photoshop open with the flower file, and this photo I took with my Sony camera. The first thing to do is just to select this layer here, this element which I'm gonna play the effect on. To do that I'm gonna press the letter W in the keyboard, or I just go over here and choose Object Selection Tool. Then after that I'll click Select Subject, and as you can see it didn't select the whole element, but if I move my cursor on top of it, it will select it. As you can see, if you move the cursor to any object on the file, it will select it. I just one click to select the whole thing, and after that I'm gonna make a copy of this layer by pressing Command J or Control G if you're on Windows, and as you can see I get a new layer with just the flower. Don't worry about this not perfect selection because we're going to use a black background. Okay, and after that I'm going to make a new file, Command N or Control N in Windows. I'm going to choose inches. I'll make it 15 inch by, or I'm going to make it 20 inches by 20 inches. The resolution, I'll make it 300. Background color and make it black. Click OK, and then create, and I got this file. After that I'll go here and I will drag this layer to the new file by drag it to the tab up here, holding Shift and just leave it here. So I got this file here, or this layer. I'm gonna make Command T or Control T to scale it. I'm gonna scale it a little bit like that. Yeah, like that, something like that. I'll position it right here. Then after that I will go to Action Panel. Okay, the Action Panel here. If you cannot see the Action Panel, just go to Window in the menu and choose Actions. Okay, and I'm gonna click this plus sign to make a new action. If you don't know anything about actions, don't worry, just follow the steps. It's gonna be simple and easy. Just click the plus sign, give it a name, Flowery Effect, for example, or can you call it whatever you want, and you can give it a keyboard shortcut if you want, but for the sake of this video I will choose none, and you can give the action any color, but it's up to you. Then hit record. The first thing to do is just duplicate the layer. Okay, this layer here. I'm gonna Command J or Control J, get a new layer. Command T or Control T to scale this one, but the first thing to do is just move this center here, center point to the bottom. If you cannot see this center point here, just go to this toolbar and make sure you select this one. Okay, this icon here. And then move it, move the center point to the bottom. Okay, like that. Then rotate it from the corner here, in the top corner, just rotate it a little bit. And here, from here, scale it. I can scale it like that. Then hit enter. Then stop the action by clicking this icon here, which is the stop action. So our action is done. As you can see, I got action here called Flowery Effect. All what I have to do now is just to play the action many times. Okay, so I'm gonna click once. I get this copy here, then again and again, and keep doing it until you get the shape you want. Okay, like that. Then I have to do some cleanup. As you can see, I got a lot of layers here. I'm gonna go to the top layer and go to the bottom layer, hold Shift and click the bottom layer to select all of them. Command G or Control G to make them into group, and I call it flowers. Something like that. Then I move it around or scale it a little bit if you want. Okay, here we go, you get this one here. And if you want to take it further, you can just scale it down like that. And Command J or Control J to copy the group, Command T or Control T, and right click with the mouse, flip horizontal, and you make something like that. And you can make whatever you want, and again it depends on the element you have or the picture you have, you will get different effects. That was very easy, isn't it? Anyway, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye.